Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can unmark yourself on Instagram. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes under this video, write your comments after watching. And let us get started with you. So, friends, if you have such a situation that, let's say, one of your subscribers or subscriptions, your Instagram friends, tagged you in their Instagram post. How can you remove such a mark if, say, you want more privacy? To do that, you'll need to open Instagram. Then go to your page. And here you will need to select this mark. Open it up, please. Next, find the post that you would like to unmark. And then click on the three dots above the post. Next, select Post Options. Then you will see a small menu and you will need to select Remove Me from the post. Next, you will need to confirm the action. And immediately after that, you'll be removed from the mark on this publication, which you can easily check. This is the very simple and quick way you will be able to unmark yourself on Instagram app. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.